Yo, make sure you got your paperwork straight. I got Mickey the Truth.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. South Carolina, 803 to be exact. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So
the loudest is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
What's up, Truth Team? So there has been an update in the Julio Foolio murder case, okay? First and foremost, they finally got it together with Rashad Murphy, and they have updated his record with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Department. So it does show that he has multiple warrants from out of county, which we now know are in reflection to the Tampa case, okay? Also, they will be transferring him down to Tampa real soon, and like real soon, because according to the hearing today, he has to be present before September, okay, which is when he's gonna be his arraignment is held. So let's see exactly what went down in the courtroom today. Let's check it out.
The record starting with the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anna Ismer for the state.
Scott Harmon for the state.
Okay, and then is Alicia Andrews present?
Good morning, Maria Junker on behalf of Ms. Andrews. She is present and to my right.
Okay, very good. Isaiah Chance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Treatise on behalf of Mr. Chance, who is present.
And I'm sorry, tell me your last name.
Treatise.
Treatise?
Treatise, yes, Your Honor. Sorry.
How do you spell that?
Petredis.
Okay, thank you. All right, and Mr. Chance is where? Okay, good morning. And then Sean Gathright.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Michelle Rayner on behalf of Mr. Gathright. He's present, and then box, Your Honor.
Okay, and are you Mr. Gathright? Okay, good morning. All right, so we're here for arraignment, and have you all entered written notices already?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. So I guess the question is, at this point, do you know if you're waiving speedy trial or not? And you can remain seated. You're fine. You don't have to keep popping up and down.
Yes, Your Honor. Once again, for the record, Attorney Michelle Rayner on behalf of Mr. Gathright, I, at this point, will be waiving speedy trial on behalf of my client.
Okay. And
On behalf of Ms. Andrews, I'll stand just because the
Okay.
podium's in my way. We yet have not made a decision. We would like to review discovery and discuss that with Ms. Andrews prior to making that decision.
okay. And Mr. Petraeus?
Yes, Your Honor. We will waive speedy trial on behalf of Mr. Chance.
Okay. And then there is a fourth co-defendant that is currently incarcerated up in Duval County. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what's the status with that defendant?
The defendant, Mr. Murphy, had pending charges in Duval County. Those charges have since resolved, and he should be transported to Hillsborough shortly.
Okay, do we know when?
We do not have an anticipated date of transportation.
Okay, and so has he been arrested on the outstanding, I'm assuming there was an outstanding warrant from Hillsborough?
The most recent outstanding habeas when the indictment was filed was executed.
Okay, so Speedy's running for him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so have you all, so you don't know yet exactly when he's being transported back?
We do not, Your Honor.
Okay, do you know what his next court date is in Duval County?
As of Friday, the pending charges he had in Duval County had been no filed, so we anticipate that it will be shortly within the next few weeks.
Okay. So, when does Speedy run for those that have not yet waived?
For Miss Andrews, February 7th, Your Honor.
Okay.
And for Rashad Murphy, it would be, it should be in February as well. We would have to check the date.
But we're looking at
exactly,
February.
but we're also looking at February.
Okay. So, Ms. Dunker, I'll give you a couple weeks to get whatever discovery you can get, but then I need to know whether or not you're waiving speedy.
I understand.
Okay. So, I'm going to set a status for the 3 co-defendants that are here. available September the 5th? You all available?
Yeah, Your Honor, what time?
Whatever time works. You tell me.
The only issue is that, well, if it's Pinellas, okay. I can probably do like a 9 a.m. because I'm going to be coming from Pinellas County.
Sure.
That works for me.
Mr. Travis?
I have a 9 o'clock Zoom hearing, unfortunately. Yeah, on the 5th.
How long, what type of hearing is it?
It's just a status check and an injunction case from Judge Baroni, so I don't anticipate it long, but it should start right at 9, I assume. I think we're the only.
Could we do 9:30 here? 9:30 here?
That's fine.
Okay, so we're gonna set, the co-defendants that are present here today for status at 9:30, and we will set the arraignment for Mr. Murphy, on September the 5th at 9:30, and assume he's gonna be here. And if there's, Stan, I need you to follow up on that to make sure he's being transported. If you need a writ or anything from me, you need to let me know, but he needs to be here by that date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? All right. Anything further from anybody? Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted to let the court, make the court aware, and also the state as well. As the court may know, I am an elected state representative, and so I know that there's going to be chunks of time where I'm constitutionally unavailable.
Sure.
So I'm going to, we don't have some of those dates. We have the session dates, of course, but committee weeks, we don't really have those nailed down. As soon as I get those, I will send a notice of unavailability pursuant to the statute, but I just wanted to kind of make the court aware of that, so and also the parties, so that we know.
Sure, and I appreciate that. And really, the main driver of this is going to be whether or not the two outstanding co-defendants that have not yet waived speedy, whether or not they're going to waive speedy. So that will be the driving force. But we'll know how things are looking by the time I see you guys back here on September the 5th. And hopefully, Ms. Rayner, your schedule is fleshed out a little bit more so you can give me some guidance as far as your availability for trial, should we have to set it before speedy runs.
Thank you.
All right, very good.
Thank
Anybody
you.
else need anything?
No.
Okay, very good. See you all then. Thank you.
And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck yeah.
Yo, a lot of y'all haven't hit me up about promo. Well, now's your time. As y'all know, my lives be going crazy these days, okay? And with that being said, if you want to feature your Instagram, your YouTube, your business, whatever you got going on during one of my lives, make sure you tap in with me, because starting at $50, you can be in one of my lives. With that being said, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast. People always think they know Mickey Truth. They always think they know my background and everything else. Until one day, a conversation changed everything.
And me and my homegirl, we was chopping it up one day, and we was like, girl, why we want to do a story time?
Yo, it's hard to find A1s, let alone from day one. So it's only right that we pop off the right way.
It only makes sense to do it with my day one, Mickey Truth. Yes, we was brought up together back in it. You know what? That's why y'all gotta tap in. So I had to like cut people off, because if you ain't riding like how I'm riding for you,
Okay.
you need to go, honey, and that's it.
And that's why all these years later, I always think about like, I can still count on my hand the ones that still I consider friends. We got talking.
You had hit me up. You had hit me up, and you was like, ride with me, and we went over there to Buddy House and we got some. And
in
we
the
had,
truck on two wheels, okay.
When I said we hit that hump, my hand hit the fucking ceiling. We got stories all day.
We gotta do a story time.
If you want to get to know about Yvonne, Miss Underdog Up, this is the episode to watch. If you want to get to know about Mickey Truth, see where she grew up at, what she was about, this is the episode to watch.
All this is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla.
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
Yeah,
I'm trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come